Amazon has recently updated all of their TOS, their terms of service, and now it's pretty easy to get yourself in a lot of trouble with their new updated TOS with regards to insert cards. So when we send a product out to our customers, typically what we do is we put an insert card in there, and that little insert card will remind our customers to go and leave us a review. However, new TOS means that it's actually easier and easier and easier to get yourself in trouble and get your account shut down just from the wrong wording on that insert card. So in this video, I'm going to show you what you can and can't do and give you an example so you'll know exactly what I mean. With that being said, if you like this kind of content, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. It really, really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see more things like this where I'm helping you build your own online business, consider subscribing to my channel. And we post videos every single day helping you make more money online. If you've got something you want me to cover, post in the comments below and I'm happy to shoot a video for you. With that being said, let's get into the new stuff. Oh yeah, so here's a new one. Ooh, gosh. Man, oh man, oh man. One of my friends who's in one of my Amazon masterminds that I'm in has just had, poor bastard, his account, his Amazon account in the States closed down, well, suspended. And what he has to do is he has got his inserts in his product. So he's got his product that he sends out to people, and obviously in his products he puts an insert, good practice, and on that insert he says on it, let's just have a look, see if I can find it for you, something like this. Okay, so this is basically, I mean, this is not his product, but this is basically what his insert says. Okay, it says here, thank you. Are you happy? If you are, give us feedback. Okay, you can see that on the left hand side. If you're happy, give us feedback. If you are unhappy, send an email to support and we'll fix it for you. Now, you would think that that ought to be simply good customer service, you know, like happy, great, go leave us a review. Unhappy, no worries, give us a chance to fix it for you. For me, that seems like a really nice thing to do, and it's, in my mind, that's good customer service, yeah? And I do that with some of my inserts, this exact thing. However, he just got his account suspended for the exact same thing. So, as a result of that, he went mental because he's got 12,500 pieces of stock in that he now has to take out of Amazon, remove all of his inserts and put back in at his own cost, otherwise they'll close his account, which is a ludicrous amount of money for him to go and do all that. Anyway, so we went and checked, as you do. So here's the thing itself, Amazon customer review policies. And if you haven't actually been and had a look at these, you should go and have a look at these, because I thought that was A-OK. I thought that was great, actually, like good customer service. But no, you can't do that. You cannot do that. A seller diverts negative reviews to be sent to them or to a different feedback mechanism, while positive reviews are sent to Amazon. It is explicitly against terms of service to do that. That is new. That is new. As is, now, heaps and heaps of people use services like Rebate Key to get their reviews. And basically what you do with Rebate Key is somebody goes and buys your product. And then once they purchased it, they prove that they purchased it, and they usually go and leave a review, and then you give them a rebate for doing that. Well, that is absolutely against terms of service too. Where is that? There. absolutely against terms of service too. Amazon is cracking down on reviews. Now, this is in the USA, but everything always starts with the USA, and then Amazon rolls shit out to other marketplaces. So whilst this is like crazy USA centric thing, just know it will get rolled out to Australia. Be mindful of your review getting, be super aware of your insert cards. So I do, or did this. Not anymore. We're changing all of that stuff. If you've been doing that too, change it. You cannot do that. Has anybody else got that? Somebody else got that going on? They said it was due to inserts. That's how we know it was due to inserts, okay? They said it was due to inserts. That's how we know. They said that your inserts break Amazon's terms of service. So you'd think that'd be good customer service, but it ain't. It ain't not. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A, which I do with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. We have over 2,500 members and growing, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about joining the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, click on the link below and we'll take you there, or just go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.